In this video, I will show you how to mine content from any platform and then convert this content into new content IDs. So in order to do that, we'll be using API. So you need to go inside settings and then API keys. And here you'll click on add new API key. And here you'll select API. You will see that there is a webhook that needs to be configured inside each actor. So all you need to do is to copy this URL and then click on the actor, go to console, and here you will see an integration tab. So you need to click on this tab and then add integration and then look for HTTP, and that's going to be HTTP webhook. You will select run created, run succeeded, run failed, and run aborted. And here you need to paste the URL and save. As a next step, you'll want to make sure that this is actually enabled. Next, you'll want to go inside settings, API integration, and here you will copy this token and paste it in the API key section here. So once you have set up the API key and the webhook, you can go inside the IDs tab and add new creators. So you can do that for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. You'll see that the stuff you need to put in there is slightly different. For YouTube, you need to put the channel URL, so make sure that this is a valid channel URL. And here for Instagram and LinkedIn, you need to, for Instagram and TikTok, you need to put the username without the @ and for LinkedIn, you need to put the profile URL. Now, as the next step, you will be able to scrape immediately, trigger a new scrape immediately, select the number of posts you want to scrape and the number of days you want to go back to. And you can do exactly the same for search terms. So you'll click on search term, add a new search term. So we can only do that for YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn, but this is usually more than enough. And here you will add the search term, for instance, AI automation, and then you can trigger the scrape immediately, or you can make it on schedule. If you want to monitor what's happening in regards to and on LinkedIn on a daily basis, once you've added the search term, all you need to do is to click on it, add a new schedule, and then scrape every day. And as a result, you will be getting basically all the content that mentions NAN on a daily basis from LinkedIn. So I'll apply the filter here, and you'll see there is quite a lot of stuff that has been published recently. And let's say there is an idea I like. I don't know which one, perhaps. Yeah, okay, let's see about this one. So here you'll see the transcript. Basically, you can convert that into an ID immediately. So when you convert it into an ID, the AI is actually going to do quite a lot of stuff for you. Like it's going to give you the new hooks, it's going to give you new CTAs, it's going to give you new talking points, and then engagement drivers, viral elements, content patterns, success factors, adaptation strategy, and so on and so forth. So you get quite a lot of data that allows you to create new variations of the same ID. So if something has worked for a content creator on a specific platform, well, you can do exactly the same and create your own variation, and you can create as many as you like and then turn that into new pieces of content.